I'm going to be a scary dinosaur to scare evil chicken. But first, let's put on the dinosaur costume. Now I'm a dinosaur. Let's scare away evil chicken. Yes, I scare evil chicken away with my dinosaur costume. Now let's take it off.
Evil chicken, what happened?
Tootie just scared away me from a scary dinosaur.
Good, that's what you get for Ungrounded by Dora, and also, you are still grounded for causing a lot of trouble. So go back to your room right now.
Wah.
Tootie, thank you so much for being a scary dinosaur to scare away my evil clone. That's why he deserves it for causing trouble and always getting grounded. So this means, I'm calling your parents right now. Go home now.
I can't wait to get ungrounded.
When she arrived home.
Tootie, thank you so much for being a dinosaur and scaring away evil chicken. That's why he deserves it for causing a lot of trouble and always getting grounded. So this means, you are ungrounded and grounded 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 for life. So you can do whatever you want.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. You were the best.